What's up, guys? It's DGaming1018 here today, back with another video. And today we are playing another Battlelands Royale, except we will only be using shotguns and double barrels today. And you wouldn't already know that if you've seen the thumbnail. So yeah, guys, if you're new to the channel, subscribe, like, comment nice things, and turn on your post notifications so you'll never miss an upload. And yeah, let's get right into this. We're going to be using our yummy skin today. Yep, shotguns do more damage up close. So yeah, hopefully this goes well. My Car 99 challenge, aka Sniper challenge. That one, I don't know if that went too well, but I think it was pretty good. We're going to be going to the crossing because I'm pretty sure there's some shotguns there. Yeah. Please. Okay, guys. Come on. Come on. Come on. No. Come on. Come on, please. It's an AR. Oh. Never mind. I got the ammo, though. Shotgun? Oh, yeah, shotgun. Okay, guys, we got what we needed. Buddy. Wow. Wow. Thank you for whoever gave me that present. They probably want to chase somebody. Then when they come back, all their loot's gone. I'd be angry. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. That's the guy using... Oh, come on. If you wouldn't have got that medkit. Okay, guys, let's try to find another double barrel or shotgun. Guys, personally, to me, I think a shotgun is better than a double barrel. Because it really is, honestly. You guys can comment down below which one's stronger to you. So... we're going to the pier again. What's wrong with the clock? Oh. Please, I really just want to get a golden shotgun. And then hide in the bushes. Oh, we just got in the game. No. A scar, can't even use that. Anything in here? Oh gosh. I was too late. Why would... that person just ran out with the golden. Come on, shotgun, shotgun. No. What was that gun? I didn't even see that. Was that even a gun? Oh, double barrel. Shoot. Oh, yes, double barrel here, too. What can I aim? I was about to say, if he killed me, then. Okay, we just need to avoid every person now. Until we can stack up on health. Come on. We just need a big health. Or half a health. And a shotgun. Come on, here, break. Okay. Shotgun. Health. Yeah, I need the health more than I need a shotgun. Uh-oh. Yeah, let's not do that. Anything in here, please, please, please. Oh, yes, shotgun. Oh, no! Ah, I fell into their trap. This guy has no wins. Oh yeah, and if you're watching this person who just killed me, no offense that you have no wins. You need a shotgun. Here, let's use a different skin this time. Oh wait, guys. In the last video, I said I would be wearing this skin. Jason. So, I'm sorry. I was using Yummy. Come on. There we go. We're here. The crosser. Oh, I was just about to change, but okay. Oh, yes, shotgun. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of people. Let's go for this real quick. Okay, let's go in there and then blast their heads off. Are they partners? They're partnering up! Shoot! Oh, I hate when they do that. If they would have just killed each other. Oh, never mind, they weren't partnering up. Then why did he go for that guy? Okay, that was not a good run at all. But I couldn't have done anything, honestly. Except not running into there. Because he had a sniper, which is long distance, and I had short distance. If I was close up, I could have got him. Easily. Please, please. Please. Oh, shoot. My enemy. Oh, shoot. How did he shoot me through the thing? We actually don't have a shotgun yet, but it's been a while since I recorded. I mean, like, for you guys it was just a second, but what in the world? But yeah, so I took a lot of time making this and making the thumbnail. I hope you guys like the thumbnail. I put lots of hard work into it. And yeah, so we're gonna be going to the crossing. I'm starting this like a new video, which is kind of weird because you just saw me. Oh, Sibs versus Sibs, who would win? Oh, okay, that Sibs is acting up. Yes, let's go, a shotgun. Straight off the bat. He would accept me. Guys, I don't want them to be partnering in the middle of me trying to make a video where there's no partnering. But if someone does partner up with me, I'm not gonna kill them. Just saying. I'll kill them whenever I want. If they take a good gun, then I'll kill them. Oh wait. Hello, darkness. I can't take their gun. The only guns I can take is a double barrel or shotgun. Unless they have a golden shotgun, I'll take that. Yay, nobody's here. Except the shotgun, of course. Guys, I'm just gonna camp in here. Oh, sorry. Okay. Somebody needs to. Yeah, I'm not going for that. I can't even get it. Sadly. Got me. I really don't think anybody's gonna come here in here, so I'm gonna leave. Oh, never mind, he didn't take it. Why is it lagging like this? The lag is real. Oh shoot, somebody just went in there. Look. Yep, they have the weakest gun in the game. Well, that was easy. I just shot him with one shot. Oh, ammo, I'll take that. I will definitely take that. Shoot, oh man, the pier's not going to be in the safe zone anymore. So we're doing pretty good, guys. We have full health, we have lots of ammo. Oh, come on. I really hope we can get this, guys. Come on, come on, come on. I didn't realize the storm was... It's not fast, but it's kind of fast for, like, the things literally right here. Don't even go all that fast. Uh-oh. Just move up ahead. Oh no, the worst place to be. Oh man, bazooka. And they killed each other. Ah! I can't even take anything! I'm so annoyed! Oh my gosh, guys. All the work I'm putting into this video. Guys. I could have won if I got that. That guy's about to die in the storm. Oh my gosh, he died in the storm. Yes, let's go, guys. We win. Yes, with a shotgun too. Shotgun challenge completed. Yes, look at this dance move. First place. We only got 3 kills because, you know, shotgun is for short distance, so we had to hide most of the time. But yes, can't believe that guy had a sniper out of all the guns. There was a bazooka, quadzooka, all that, and he died. Wow. Wow. So guys, that is it for today's video. I really hope you enjoyed, because I enjoyed making it, especially when we just got that one. And yeah, I really hope you guys liked that thumbnail. And I'll see you in next video. And guys, you guys can comment down below what skins you want me to wear. But until then, I will be wearing I'll be wearing this skin. I don't know what it's called, but I will wear it. So guys, that's it for today's video, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.